Hi, welcome to this lesson on trigonometry double angles. Let's have a look at the sine double angle. So we know that from the sine compound angle formulae, we derived that the sine of a plus b could be written as sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. But if we let these two angles a and b be equals to each other, then we have what we call the sine double angle formulae. Okay, and we can see why we call it double angle is because when we put in b in replace of a, so the two angles are the same, on the left hand side we have a plus a, which is 2a, hence double angle. Okay, but now if we replace wherever there's a b with an a, we get this formula here. Sine a cos a plus cos a sine a. But that is exactly the same term, right? Because multiplication is commutative, I can rewrite cos a sine a as sine a cos a. Same thing. So I have two amounts of them. So I have 2 sine a cos a. So this is the sine double angle formula. So whenever you have sine twice an angle, let's say x, then you can write it as 2 times. So it's almost like you're bringing out the 2, but not really, right? It's just a nice coincidence that it's 2. And then for the double angle, the rhythm to it is sine cos. Okay, and then the angle that you're dealing with, in this case, x. So 2 sine x cos x. So for example, if you wanted to take, let's say, sine of 90 degrees, well, we know from special angles that's equals to 1. But what if I broke up 90 degrees as sine of 2 times 45 degrees? Now by double angle formulae, that's the same as 2 times the sine of 45 times the cos of 45 degrees. Okay, because that's the angle x there. Well, what is sine of 45? It's root 2 over 2. And what is cos 45? It's root 2 over 2. So that 2 will divide into that 2. So you're left with root 2 times root 2 over 2. And then, so that's root 2 over 1 essentially. Root 2 times root 2 is just 2. Divided by 1 times 2, which is 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. So you can see that this identity or compound angle formulae for sine when we have a double angle does hold true, especially in this case, but in general it holds true algebraically thanks to this proof here. Alright, so that is the sine double angle derived directly from the sine compound angle formulae by just allowing the two angles to be equal to each other. Right. Awesome. I'll see you in the next one.